equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. Welcome to our detailed guide on the Lenovo Yoga 920 warranty process. In this video, we will walk you through the steps to troubleshoot common issues and understand your warranty rights. First, let's start with the tools you'll need. For basic troubleshooting, you'll require a Phillips head screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and a can of compressed air for cleaning. These tools will help you access the internal components of your device safely. Now, let's discuss the common issues you might encounter with your Lenovo Yoga 920. If your laptop is not powering on, the first step is to check the power adapter and ensure it's functioning correctly. If you suspect a battery issue, you can remove the back cover using your Phillips head screwdriver. Be cautious with the screws. They are small and can easily be misplaced. Once you've removed the back cover, take a moment to inspect the internal components. Look for any loose connections or signs of damage. If you notice dust accumulation, use the compressed air to gently clean the fans and vents. This can help improve airflow and prevent overheating. If you reckon this is too hard, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, making it easier for you to get professional help without the hassle of traveling. Next, let's address the warranty aspect. The Lenovo Yoga 920 typically comes with a 1-year warranty, covering manufacturing defects. If you believe your issue falls under this category, it's essential to document everything. Take photos of any visible damage and keep records of your purchase. When contacting Lenovo support, be prepared to provide your device's serial number and a detailed description of the problem. This information will help expedite the diagnosis process. If you prefer, we also offer a professional diagnosis without obligation, allowing you to understand your options before committing to any repairs. If your device requires repair, you'll receive a quote before any work begins. This ensures transparency and allows you to make an informed decision. Remember, no calls, no travel. We handle everything for you. After you've completed your troubleshooting, if the issue persists, it may be time to consider sending your device in for repair. Ensure you back up all your data before proceeding, as repairs may involve resetting your device. In summary, understanding your Lenovo Yoga 920 warranty and knowing how to troubleshoot common issues can save you time and money. Always keep your tools handy, and don't hesitate to reach out for professional assistance when needed. With our services, you can rest assured that your device is in good hands, and you'll receive a quote before any repair work is done. Thank you for watching, and we hope this guide has been helpful in navigating your Lenovo Yoga 920 warranty and repair options. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.